customers are wanting more with regards to performance. They want, they want a cheaper alternative as well. They want things to be greener. And ARM is becoming that number one choice, right? It's one of the few on the market. Apple Mac changing over to the M1 chips is a key example of how strong that push is currently being, and massive companies are adopting. We're just following suit and coming up behind, and I think it's an amazing step forward for Harvester. So we have had it supported in the community. Well, we have had it, technical preview in the community since at least last year for our 1.3. And excitingly, we were able to announce it is now generally available with support as of our 1.5 release, which came out last month. Our community release, which is the 1.50, came out at the end of May. And we're looking forward to producing our prime release, which is our enterprise grade SUSE virtualization offering at the end of June.